On a stage where affordable cars rule the asphalt, a new player dares to break the mold. Introducing a bold transformation, the Dacia Sandman, a compact hatchback reimagined with a street kit for those who crave style without sacrificing practicality. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement, a bold declaration that even the most unassuming vehicles can shine brightly with the right blend of design, performance, and character. In this video, we'll take you through every detail of this transformation and show how the Dacia Sandman with its street kit is set to redefine what it means to be a compact car. The journey begins with the front fascia, where the transformation truly sets the tone. The bumper has been completely redesigned, now sitting lower to improve aerodynamics and give the car a sportier stance. Sharp lines and functional vents not only add to its aggressive appearance, but also enhance airflow, cooling the engine and improving overall efficiency. The grille has been reworked to feature a sleek, modern pattern that complements the car's updated aesthetic, while the LED headlights steal the show. These lights are sharper, more angular, and brighter than ever before, ensuring that the Sandman turns heads day and night. Together, these elements create a bold and confident front profile that sets the stage for what's to come. As your eyes travel along the side, the transformation becomes even more evident. The widened wheel arches are a statement piece, giving the Sandman a more muscular and planted look. These arches house lightweight alloy wheels finished in a stunning gloss black, designed not only to elevate the car's style, but also to improve its handling and performance. Subtle side skirts flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, emphasizing the car's dynamic silhouette and adding a touch of sophistication. The lowered suspension doesn't just enhance the car's sporty appearance. It also improves its stability and responsiveness, making every drive a thrilling experience. Whether you're navigating tight city corners or cruising down the highway, the Sandman feels as good as it looks. At the rear, the Sandman's transformation reaches new heights. The redesigned bumper features an integrated diffuser, a hallmark of high-performance vehicles, now brought to this compact hatchback. The dual exhaust outlets, positioned perfectly for symmetry, not only enhance the sporty aesthetic, but also give the car a deep, satisfying exhaust note. Above, the taillights have been completely reimagined, featuring a modern lighting signature that ensures the Sandman is instantly recognizable, even in the dark. And to top it all off, a sleek roof spoiler adds a touch of aggression while contributing to the car's aerodynamic efficiency. These rear upgrades perfectly round out the Sandman's bold new look. But the Sandman's appeal doesn't stop at its striking exterior. Inside, this compact hatchback retains its reputation for practicality, ensuring that the upgrades don't come at the cost of usability. The spacious interior and clever storage solutions remain intact, making it the perfect car for both urban commuters and weekend adventurers. The improved handling, courtesy of the lowered suspension and wider stance, ensures a smooth and confident ride, no matter the terrain. And let's not forget about its fuel efficiency. This transformation doesn't compromise the Sandman's practicality, keeping it economical while offering a more thrilling driving experience. This isn't just a car, it's a conversation starter, a symbol of what's possible when design meets passion. The Dacia Sandman with its street kit is more than a transformation. It's a redefinition of the compact car. It appeals to a wide range of drivers, from car enthusiasts who love bold designs to practical drivers looking for a bit of flair in their daily commute. It's proof that style and substance can coexist harmoniously, delivering a car that's as functional as it is fashionable. So, what's your take on the all-new Dacia Sandman with its street-ready transformation? Would you take this reimagined hatchback for a spin? Or do you see it as the perfect base for even more personalization? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. And while you're there, share your ideas for future car transformations. Your suggestions could inspire our next big project. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all our exciting car concepts and redesigns. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We've got plenty more in store. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more designs, transformations, and creative projects coming your way. See you in the next video.